How to convert a video into a PDF file. This tutorial shows you how to turn video frames into a PDF document without using any extra software. First, open the video file using the built-in Movies and TV app on your computer. After that, pause on any frame you want to capture. From there, press the Windows key and Shift and S together to open the snipping tool. At this point, drag to select the video frame on your screen and it'll copy automatically. In the next step, open Paint. Press Ctrl and V to paste the image, then save it to a folder. Following this, repeat this process for every frame you want to include in your PDF. Once done, open the folder where you saved all the images. From here, select all the images, right-click, and choose Print. At this stage, set the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF, then click Print. Keep in mind, image quality depends on your screen resolution and video quality, so higher resolution videos give clearer PDF pages. Finally, choose a location to save the file, then open it to confirm your video frames are now compiled into a PDF. And that's it. If this guide helped you convert a video into a PDF, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.